Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm gonna unbox this. These are the coffee bean and then tea leaf. I'm not sure what my wife purchased, but she said she got a free cup. I'm not sure it's a mug or cup, but anyway, let's go and then unbox it and see what's inside here. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So yeah, let's go and then open this up. Oh, there's an invoice in here. Hold on. So here the product description right here. 2 quantity of this SKU. Lemon chamoy herbal infusion 20 tea bag. 2 of the jasmine dragon Phoenix pearl green tea 20 tea bags. And then 1 of this bamboo ear tumbler. Oh, that's the one that I got for free. With the purple sleeve and a silicone lid 16-ounce tumbler. So this is the jasmine dragon Phoenix pearl. So expired December 2023. Yeah, so we got 2 of this. Go ahead and check out this 16-ounce tumbler. It says do not microwave. So this looks like a leaf. So they got a rubber right here to hold it in case it's cold or hot. And you could also remove it. Cool. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.